Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can deploy/host your React app in under 5 minutes using cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, cPanel is, as I've said before, a online Linux-based GUI for building and managing your website and your servers as well. And of course, you can use it to deploy a React app, which you've developed for the web in a very easy series of about 6 or 7 steps, which I'll be going over right now. So let's get started immediately without beating around the bush. So the first step is you need to purchase a domain and hosting. You need to purchase a registered domain from a hosting service such as Namecheap or GoDaddy, as you can see here in the website which describes this. Now, this is, by the way, a dev.to article. You can check it out if you have any other problems with this. I'll try to explain as best as I can, but this will probably be just enough. You have a link to a tutorial which can help you out if you cannot. But yeah, you need to purchase a domain name and a hosting plan from one of these services, and once you do, you need to add the homepage which you would like to your package.json file. You just need to open the JSON file and add a homepage attribute like so, and it should be of this format. Once you do that, you need to create the build file by running yarn install to install updated dependencies, and then just run yarn build. npm install and npm build work too, but this is what you can use. You have two options, and you'll get a new directory called build. This is essentially a super compressed version of your program that has everything your browser needs to identify and run your app. Once you do that, you need to connect to cPanel by going to your hosting provider and going to the manage tab, which will open your cPanel, which should look like this. You need to navigate to the file manager and find the public/8 or public down, whatever that sign is called, HTML underscore, I think, yeah, underscore. Then go add the build file contents to public_HTML, create and upload the htaccess file, and once you do that, you're done. And you do that by doing these commands, and that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.